How to use Apple gift card on Toca Boca. In today's video, I'll show you how to use an Apple gift card to make purchases in Toca Boca. If you've got an Apple gift card and want to unlock new features or items in Toca Life, this guide is for you. Open the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile picture. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either scan the gift card using a camera or enter the code manually. Tap Redeem and the balance will be added to your Apple ID. Open Toca Life World on your device. Tap on the settings icon and go to shop section. Browse and select the item, house or bundle you want to buy. Tap on the price to start the purchase process. The App Store payment screen will appear and make sure Apple account balance is selected as the payment method. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple password. And that's how you use an Apple gift card on Toca Boca.